is Vijay from Clat 100, and here in this short session we are going to discuss all GK and current affairs questions that were asked in the second shift of Maharashtra 5-year law entrance examination 2023. Here is the first question. What does ISRO stand for? I'm sure you all got it right. Indian Space Research Organization. It was established in 1969, the very year banks were nationalized, and its current director is S. Somnath. Earlier it was called INCOSPAR. How many of you are aware? Indian National Committee for Space Research. Which chemical is used to ripen fruits? I'm sure you all know, ethylene gas. Okay. Which day is celebrated as the World Environment Day? This also is well known, 5th of June, right? The host nation of the World Environment Day 2023 is Ivory Coast, right? Theme this year is Solutions to Plastic Pollution. Which is the oldest stock exchange in Asia? Come on, is in our country. BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange. It was established in 1875. Wow. On which day is the World Health Day celebrated? This question is very important. I'll tell you why. First of all, the answer is April 7. Why is it celebrated on April 7? Because WHO, World Health Organization, was established on 7th April 1948, and WHO completes, or rather completed, 75 years of its existence this year. Alright, and the theme for the World Health Day 2023 was Health for All. The minimum age to be eligible for the position of the Prime Minister of India is, most of you are not eligible. None of you is eligible actually. Okay, alright, that is 25 years. For Lok Sabha, the minimum age requirement is 25 years. For Vidhan Sabha, 25 years. For Rajya Sabha, that is 30 years. Please keep that in mind. For the position of president, that is 35 years, and for that of governor, it is 35 years. Since a prime minister has to be a member of either the Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha, alright, so the minimum age requirement has to be 25 years. Which of the following is known as the Tiger State of India? Need to listen to me very carefully here. The answer in the examination was Madhya Pradesh. Alright, because in the last Tiger census, of which the results are available, that is of 2018, Madhya Pradesh was number 1. It had maximum number of tigers in India. Karnataka was close number 2. Tiger census takes place every 4th year in India. So one estimation has already taken place, or rather the census has taken place in 2022, but state-wise data is not available at the time of this video getting recorded. Alright, so as per the latest census, Tiger census, the number of tigers in India is 3167. I've already told you Tiger census is done every 4th year in India. There are 53 tiger reserves in India. All this information is very important for you. Ranipur Tiger Reserve in Uttar Pradesh is the latest entry to the list. Alright, Project Tiger completes 50 years this year. It had begun in 1973 and this is 2023, and hence you can be asked this question a lot of times this year. Alright, the 3 colors of Indian national flag from top to bottom are, come on, we all know, saffron, white and green. In which city is Dalal Street situated? I'm sure everyone got it right. The answer is Mumbai, which was earlier known as Bombay. It is home to Bombay Stock Exchange. Bombay Stock Exchange is in Dalal Street and several other financial institutions. Alright. Which country was invaded by Russia in 2022? It was a joke. We all know. Ukraine. And it was actually invaded on 24th February 2022. The maximum strength of Lok Sabha. Many people got it wrong. Many channels also got it wrong while doing the analysis of this examination. The answer is 550. 530 from states and 20 from union territories. The answer is not 552 anymore. The 104th Constitutional Amendment has already ended the provision of nomination of 2 people from the Anglo-Indian community. Please keep that in mind. The answer is 550. Alright, who was the Governor General of India during the revolt of 1857? John Canning, popularly called Lord Canning, not my lord for sure, you decide for yourself. He was the last Governor General, of course, because the power went to the crown after the revolt of 1857, right? He was the first viceroy as well. Alright, so a very important figure. Which famous personality was the principal of Government Law College, Bombay? Come on! Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar, 1935 to 1937. For almost 2 years, he was the principal. Alright? Which gas comes out on opening a soda bottle? Carbon dioxide. So please do not consume carbonated drinks. Which of the following is not a commercial bank? Of the given options, your answer was cooperative bank. When it comes to cooperative banks, please keep that in mind that Saraswat Bank is the largest cooperative bank in India. It is headquartered in Mumbai. From which country has India received the supply of Rafale jets? We all know. France, right? Which of the following is not a hazardous waste? The answer could have been guessed. Agricultural residue, right? The Pulitzer Prize is awarded for which of the following fields? Of the given options, the answer was journalism, but it is given for literature and musical compositions as well. Please keep that in mind. 4 Indian journalists, Danish Siddiqui, the late Danish Siddiqui, Adnan Abidi, Sana Irshad Mattu, and Amit Dave got it in 2022. Danish Siddiqui ji unfortunately lost his life while covering Taliban and the then government war in Afghanistan. Who was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Indian Constitution? This question was asked in Shift 1 as well, and the answer is of course Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Which among the following had got the first Bharat Ratna Award? Alright, you had 4 options, of which the correct answer was Chakravarti Rajgopalachari. It was given in 1954, and there were 3 people, not just one, who had got it. The 2 others were C.V. Raman, the great scientist, and Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, the first vice president or the second president of India. These awards were last given in 2019. Which of the following primary greenhouse gases is not naturally present in the Earth's atmosphere? Hey, we somehow could not gather the options here, so if you remember the options, please do put them in the comment box. The press for printing Indian currency notes is situated at, of the options that you had got, the answer was Devas in Madhya Pradesh. It is also at Nashik, so please do not get confused. And something about Nashik as well. It's not Nasik anymore. It's not Nasik. Officially, it has become Nashik. So one such press is there at Nashik, one is at Devas. And in fact, the one at Devas is sister concern of the one at Nashik. Gandhi Dandi March started from, come on, Sabarmati Ashram in Ahmedabad or near Ahmedabad. From March 12 to April 5, it continued for 25 days. This march is also known as Salt Satyagraha. And one way of keeping that in mind, Dandi March began in the month of March. Which among the following is not a G7 member? Of the given options, of course, the answer was Spain. These are the 7 members, all developed nations. The Chief Election Commissioner of India holds the office for a period of 6 years, right, or till the age of 65, whichever is earlier. Article 324 of the Indian Constitution talks about the office of the election commissioners. Current incumbent is Rajiv Kumar ji. The SARC University is situated at, mind you, it's SARC University. The answer is New Delhi. Okay. It is also known as the South Asian University. Interested in taking admission? No, you want to do law. Blue Revolution is related to, come on, we all know, fish production, right? It was in 1985 to 1990, the 7th 5-year plan in which we put a lot of emphasis on fish production. Keep that also in mind. Currency note of rupee 1 in India is signed by the Finance Secretary. Look at this note. This is a 1 rupee currency note. Look at it now. It is signed by Secretary, Ministry of Finance, that is Finance Secretary. Incidentally, the current RBI Governor, Shaktikant Das, was the Secretary of Ministry of Finance earlier. So you can see his signature. Alright, there is one more thing about this. It is the only note issued by the Government of India. Look here, Bharat Sarkar, Government of India. On other currency notes, you would see Reserve Bank of India. Notes of any other denomination are issued by the RBI. Yes, The term double fault is related to which of the following sports? Come on, we all follow tennis. So please be on our Telegram group to get lots of relevant content, especially for your next examination, that is Symbiosis Law Admission Test. And if you like this effort, give us a thumbs up, share this video with as many people as possible, subscribe to CLAT 100 immediately, and press the bell icon hard so that you remain informed. All the best.